As a pioneer in electric vehicles, Chery Automobile has cemented its position over the past 5 years, setting new benchmarks in automotive innovation. Behind this remarkable growth, ForwardX Robotics has been a reliable architect, seamlessly integrating cutting-edge automation solutions to power Chery's rapid development. When Chery first collaborated with ForwardX, a smart manufacturing revolution began. The initial deployment of 100+ AMRs within 12 weeks boosted material handling speed by 40% and reduced labor costs by 30% in the welding workshop. This milestone not only marked the start of a transformative partnership, but also fueled Chery's record-breaking sales of 2.28 million vehicles in 2023, with new energy vehicle sales surging 232.7% year-over-year. As Chery accelerated its Yaoguang 2025 strategy, ForwardX AMR solutions became integral to new factories. At Kaifeng Factory, 98 Max and Lynx AMRs enabled flexible hybrid production lines, delivering enhanced safety, flexible adjustments, and optimized workflows. 4 new factories launched in 2 years, with AMRs deployed across 80% of critical workshops, propelling Chery to 1.14 million vehicle exports in 2024, retaining its crown as China's top automotive exporter. With 400 AMRs deployed at Chery's Dalian Factory, this marks one of the world's largest AMR deployments in the automotive industry. At Dalian Factory, ForwardX AMRs operate at an unmatched scale, and performance 195 Flex AMRs, automating warehouse operations and ensuring just-in-time material supply, 226 Max AMRs, optimizing production workflows, synchronizing logistics across assembly lines. Lynx autonomous towing AMRs, fully integrated with Chery's SPS system, automating material transport across critical areas, with AMRs covering 700 to 800 meters per cycle. Chery's final assembly lines now roll out a vehicle every 2 minutes. Welding operations achieve millimeter-level precision, and manual handling risks are significantly reduced, ensuring a safer and more efficient work environment. From Super One Factory's first 100 AMRs to Dalian's record-breaking 400 AMRs, ForwardX and Chery have built the most extensive AMR-powered automotive intralogistics system in history. As Chery solidifies its position as the world's leading automotive exporter, ForwardX remains a trusted partner driving the next wave of smart manufacturing. ForwardX has been there every step of the way, adapting to Chery's evolving needs and ensuring scalability, efficiency, and innovation. But the journey doesn't stop here. ForwardX will continue providing cutting-edge automation solutions that are safer, more intelligent, and more sustainable, paving the way for the future of automotive manufacturing.